Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this just as a sample, and they're saying that when they use the gradient tool, notice it, but when exported as a JPEG, it looks really pretty good to me. I mean, unless I'm not catching something, but down in here, let me zoom back out. If we look, you can see a little bit of dotted lines, like right here on this screen. My only suggestion is double check your view status and make sure you don't have it set on normal. Make sure you have it set on enhance. When I click enhance, watch the line go away. We'll put it back on normal. And let's go to this other section where he was talking about, and I'm just going to zoom in on this arrow. And I don't know if you can see that in your monitor, but these little bitty, and it doesn't matter how zoomed in you get, they stay the same. Little bitty jagged lines. Let me see if I can't find another spot that might be a better application. Well, I don't know if you can see that in your monitor, but it just looks a little jagged. It doesn't really matter how close you get, they're going to be there. The zooming in doesn't really do it justice. Let me, and also you're in some sort of mode here, I don't know what mode it is, but I'm just going off this arrow that he drew for me. You can see this jagged line. That's a good example of it right here. Well, let's zoom in a little bit. See, it looks like they're jagged. We'll go to view and hit enhance, and now that line's a straight looking line. I'm hoping that's what his problem is. Even in his text, it looks really smooth, but if you go to view and put just enhance or go to normal view, you can see some choppiness like right in there. It's a shame that it doesn't get any better or worse. But try this first. Go to enhance, and then it just becomes smooth. So I always keep mine on enhanced. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.